I'm going to be talking about viruses today, specifically the swine flu virus, which is circulating around. The scientific name is called H1N1, and flu is short for influenza. The strain we are currently experiencing is called Swine Influenza A, and where we got it from birds. So it's a virus and it's not a bacteria. Viruses do not live. They are non-living particles. They are non-living but kinda living organic particles that alter life. It isn't life, it alters it. Anyway, we are in phase 5 of the pandemic alert cautioned by the WHO, the World Health Organization. According to www.who.int/csr/disease, etc., etc., phase 5 is characterized by human-to-human spread of the virus into at least 2 countries in one WHO region. While most countries will not be affected at this stage, the declaration of phase 5 is a strong signal that the pandemic is imminent and that the time to finalize the organization, communication, and implementation of the planned mitigation measures, in short, which basically says there needs to be 2 countries that need to be infected before it's in phase 5 and a bunch of other crap. We are on the brink of going into phase 6, which is the highest phase that we can get to. Phase 6 is characterized as it's the pandemic phase, which is characterized by community-level outbreaks in at least one other country in a different WHO region. In addition to the criteria defined in phase 5, which I just read to you, designation of this phase will indicate that a global pandemic is underway. And there is also, that is phase 6. There is also called a post-peak period and a post-pandemic period, which I'm not going to read that because I'm really lazy. The actual meaning for virus in Latin, it means toxin or poison. This is from Wikipedia. It is a submicroscopic infectious agent that is unable to grow or reproduce outside of a host cell, so it's technically not living, and it has to fit a lot of categories to be considered living. I believe there's 7 or 8 categories. Viruses infect all cellular life. The first known virus, tobacco mosaic virus, was discovered by Martinus Beijerinck in 1898. And now more than 5,000 types of viruses have been described. The study of viruses is known as virology and is a branch of microbiology. And also about the swine flu outbreak. These numbers have changed a lot. That's kind of scary. I'll read to you which countries have laboratory confirmed cases. Mexico, United States, Canada, Spain, UK, New Zealand, Germany, Israel, Costa Rica, Switzerland, Peru, Australia, Ireland, and the Netherlands, which that is 14 countries. Switzerland, Peru, Austria, Ireland, and the Netherlands all have one laboratory confirmed case. And so far, 9 people have died, and 168 people are suspected of dying from this disease. The disease started at around March 18th. But Mexican authorities called it a late season flu, which now we know it's not really our usual. Mexico's schools, universities, and all public events are closed from April 24th to May 6th of 2009. And a few schools are closed on April 27th, 2009 because of some confirmed cases. But the first American fatality, which we only have one now, was a kid that was 5 years old in Texas. And our state has one suspected case, which is going to come back, and it will be confirmed, I hope not, or inconfirmed, depending upon if he is infected or not. And you can't get the flu by eating pigs because the organism died, and viruses can't live on dead organic matter because they have to have living cells. I hope that clears things up.